He was not rich. He was not gifted. He had no degree, no connections, no special advantage. And at 30 years old, he felt like he was running out of time, but one decision at 5 a.m. quietly rebuilt his future. Not in a week, not in a month, but in 90 days. And no one saw it happening. In a small industrial city, there lived a man named Daniel. Daniel worked the night shift as a security guard at a warehouse. Every evening at 8 p.m., he put on his uniform. Every morning at 6 a.m., exhausted, he walked home while the world was waking up. His apartment was small and silent. A thin mattress, flickering light, bills stacked on a wooden table. His paycheck was enough to survive. But survival was not the life he imagined for himself. Every morning as he walked home, he watched people beginning their day with energy. Office workers rushing to meetings, students heading to class, small business owners unlocking their shops. Daniel felt like he was living in reverse. While everyone moved forward, he felt paused. He wasn't lazy, he worked hard. But hard work without direction only makes you tired. And Daniel was tired of being tired. Daniel's mother lived in another town. She called him every Sunday. "How are you, son?" she would ask. He always replied the same way. "I'm fine. I'm working on something." But he wasn't. He didn't know where to start. He wanted to learn new skills. He wanted a better job. He wanted to build something. But after working all night, he slept until afternoon. And by the time he woke up, half the day was gone. He told himself he would study in the evening, but evenings turned into scrolling. Scrolling turned into midnight. And midnight turned into regret. He wasn't poor because of money. He was poor because of structure. One winter morning, after finishing his shift, Daniel noticed something unusual. A well-dressed older man sat in a small cafe at 6 a.m., reading, calm, focused. Daniel recognized him, Mr. Carter, a local business owner. Curious, Daniel approached him. "Why are you here so early?" he asked. Mr. Carter smiled, because these hours belonged to the disciplined. Daniel frowned. "I work nights. I'm exhausted." Mr. Carter nodded. "Then don't change your whole life. Change to ours. Between 5 and 7 a.m., the world is quiet. No noise, no distractions. That's when you build." Then he added something simple. "You don't lack talent. You lack control over your mornings." That day, Daniel went home and did something different. He didn't just feel motivated. He made a plan for 90 days. 5 a.m., wake up. 5:10 a.m., wash face, light movement. 5:20 a.m., skill learning. 6:20 a.m., practice. 6:50 a.m., plan the day. 7 a.m., sleep. He chose one skill. Basic accounting. Nothing glamorous, nothing exciting. Just useful. No big announcement. No social media post. Just quiet commitment. The first morning was brutal. His alarm rang at 5 a.m., his body screamed, his mind negotiated. "You deserve rest. You can start tomorrow. One day won't matter." But Daniel remembered something. This wasn't about becoming successful. This was about becoming reliable. He stood up, and that was his first victory. The first week was painful. He felt sleepy. He questioned himself. He almost quit twice. Nothing magical happened, but every morning he showed up. By the end of month 1, something changed. Not outside, inside. He stopped hitting snooze, not just on the alarm, on decisions. He began finishing small tasks. He studied consistently, started exercising lightly. He felt clearer. By month 2, he completed 2 online certifications. He practiced spreadsheets during quiet hours at work. One night, he reorganized inventory reports more efficiently. His supervisor noticed. "You've improved," the supervisor said. Daniel replied calmly. "I changed my mornings." On day 87, Daniel was called into the office. The company was expanding its administrative team. They needed someone who understood warehouse operations and basic bookkeeping. Daniel was offered the position. Day shift. Higher pay. Not life-changing, but life-moving. He didn't become rich, didn't buy a new car. He didn't post about it online. But he felt something powerful. Control. 1 year later, Daniel still woke up at 5 a.m. not because he had to, but because those 2 hours became sacred. He read, he learned, he planned, he built. He understood something simple. The 5 a.m. habit wasn't about waking up early. It was about winning the first battle of the day. Success didn't arrive dramatically. It arrived quietly in small improvements, in discipline and identity. He no longer saw himself as someone stuck. He saw himself as someone building. The 5 a.m. secret is not about time. It's about control. Most people wait for motivation. Few build structure. You don't need to wake up at 5 to change your life. But you do need to protect your most valuable hours. 1 skill, 2 hours, 90 days, and repeat. Your future doesn't change in excitement. It changes in repetition. If this story resonated with you, share it with someone who feels stuck. And subscribe to the Habit Tales.